Alright, so here's the final video of the back door. I got it where it actually works now. I know it looks like it's flickering, but that's just the camera of it. See if I can make it change colors. So here's what it looks like: blue and red. This will also change different colors on the settings that you choose. So now all I just have to do is make the cutout for the door handle and it will shine through. So I heard somebody else say that the Fusions do not have the ambient lighting in the back door. I guess my car is going to be the special one because it will have ambient lighting in the back doors. Here's what it looks like again, back to blue. I probably will have to do I guess another LIN bus installation module thing, so it recognizes that I got the one for the rear door. Therefore, when I open the door, it will change color to red instead of blue, because it's stuck on blue or whatever color I pick. But when you open the door, it's supposed to turn red for a warning. Hey, the door is open. Because here's the driver rear door. Since the driver door is open, it shows blue also. But when you open and close it, see if it's probably gonna make a fool out of me. Nope, it turns red, but the back door doesn't. So like I said, I have to probably do the LIN bus installation. There's blue right there on the back door. I'm gonna close both doors. Open this one here. It's still blue. So I'm not too surprised. I can do a full scan, do the LIN bus installation, and it should work after that. But that's the final result of adding the ambient lighting to the rear doors. All I have to do is do the passenger side, and I'll be completely finished. So thanks for watching.